What's up guys, Beaks Wheels here. We're gonna show you what it takes to make a stunt bike and what I still need to get. May not be necessary, but it does have a purpose, so let's get to it.
Hustle legit, proper big bit, separate it, shot it for profit. Hustle legit, proper big bit, separate it, shot it for profit. Hustle legit.
Alright, so first thing is do the seat back here. So the seat, you cut out a hole, make it a square big enough for your foot to fit through, and then usually have someone like sew it up or put some staples in it. I did the tape just because that's what I got, but let's see. After that, we got the bars here, sub cage, and the crash cage. Those things are a must if you want to drift or do wheelies or anything. If you got a, incident that happens, then you can be going down. Sub one, if I could go back and get one, I would definitely get the adjustable one. For the front, get the cocks, rear cocks. After that, we got the cocks clip-ons, but got those instead of dirt bars because I didn't want to cut a hole in here and ruin this. Let's see. After that, kept the stock brake up here. We have a headlight here, and then just a supposed to be an easy pull clutch, but it's not. It's from eBay. Shout out. Then we got the Magura rear brake set up here. Gotta get this air bubble out. Shit, we'll get that later. Did take all the fairings off because it looks better, I think, personally. And you got the Hohei here. Shout out to Hohei and Tactical Minds for hooking it up. Hohei, I want to give you a special shout out because you guys hooked it up. I bought the wrong foot brake and then the wrong hand brake, like adapter pieces here, and I bought them for the small rotor kit, both of them, and they helped me out shipping and all that. So thank you, Hohei. And then we just got this on. I was making a video saying how I didn't have one, and how it was sounding. I gotta put a little bit more on right there, but whatever. I was just running headers and it was pretty loud. And then the other thing you'll need is your clean air mod, because if you want to do wheelies and stuff for a long time, then you gotta make sure that thing can breathe and not get oil all up in it. And then we get the gauge over here now and set it up here, and then my switch for the lights right here, so I'll probably have to hide that a little better. Cut a hole up in here. Oh, sprockets, I got a 48 in the back and a 15, so stock in front, and then 48, so it's alright for now, but definitely need to get a bigger sprocket. I'm trying to, other than that, get a nice sticky tire in the back. Probably have to do the forks setup. I need the scrape bar, or 12 o'clock bar. I need an extra fan on. Other than that, I think that's about it on what I need for it. Also a paint job I want to do on it, so I'm thinking black maybe, but who knows. So we're gonna go on a ride today. Don't know if I'll make a video for it, just kind of want to go out and ride, but if we do, we'll let you know. So other than that, we'll do a little startup for you guys, because I have not had the exhaust on yet. Oh yeah, sounds pretty good right there. I like that. What I don't like is this sound though. not sound good. Yeah, maybe we need to comment. You tell me if that's right or not.
She